here, guys, when you arrive in Manila from Canada, you're gonna have to go out here to get transportation to another terminal. So you want to check with these buses to make sure that is taking you to the terminal, proper terminal. Yeah, that you would go, Philippine Airlines domestic. Hello. And let's have these two.
Connecting flights.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay. So this is now coming into the airport, guys. So if you're just coming in here to fly, you have all your different flights and that.
Welcome on board this Philippine Airlines flight. Before we depart, do you want to let
push ends together. To tighten the loose end of the strap, to loosen tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift off a buckle and pull free ends to release. Here with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip ends over your head. Take tape around your waist and push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower end. If flight vest fails to inflate, blow into mount tube.
Oh, allowed to have that. Hello. Sorry. Going this one? Oh, this one.
Go to that side.
So this is where you're going to have to take your laptop out, remember? And your belt will have to come off. No, oh, sorry. I thought it was on. I have an eye store here. No, they don't have the skywalk on. Skywalk is not on. Here, come tap a break for a second. Here. Okay. I have a bit of a headache. Never like being a passenger in a vehicle. Well, at least it's nice to have this skywalk. The other one was shut down, guys. Corso looks like a nice place to eat. The atmosphere looks nice. They have a oven in there for maybe pizzas and stuff. Should always stay to the right, eh? We're going from one end of the terminal down to the other end. Good exercise. Nice watches. Goes both ways. So it's 31, 34 over there, 30, I think 35 will be over here. Excuse me, how far up is Tim Hortons?
Tim Hortons, if you get all the way straight.
How far? Pretty far?
2-3 minutes.
Not bad. Nowhere else for coffee, right? That's about the only place.
But then there's Starbucks there too.
Oh, Starbucks. I like Tim Hortons more.
Just keep going straight.
Thank you. Well, guys, do we go for Starbucks or do we go for Tim Hortons? I think we'll go Tim Hortons. It was a good walk carrying those bags. It's unfortunate that they don't allow carts in this area. It's nice if you have luggage with the wheels, but when you're doing a carry-on, you're not allowed much weight in those carts. Or those luggage on their own, they weigh 5 or 6 pounds. The one that I had purchased was a really nice one. I really liked it. But when I weighed it, it was 7 pounds, guys. And when you're only allowed to bring 15 pounds on, well, the Betty Bauer bag that I have is, I think, 1.5 pounds. So I gain a lot. Well, we're heading back to the Philippines, guys. I've never taken a flight this time. This is a later flight. It's a direct flight right from Toronto to Manila, and then another flight from Manila to Dumaguete. I think Tim Hortons is just up around the corner. Some nice shops if you're looking to buy anything, but I'm already overweight if I try to get anything else. But you have Toronto duty free. Almost all these are duty free. There's Tim Hortons, guys. I told you it wasn't very far away. I knew it was close. It's actually right back at security where we checked in, guys. Hi, could I get, you have medium and large coffee? Could I get 2 large double-doubles, please? And 1 carrot and 1 wild berry and 1 Boston cream, please.
Large cup doubles, my dear. And a Boston cream. I need your cash. Can you give me $6.25?
I don't, there's no I don't see the Boston cream. Oh, sorry about that. Thank you.
And the large cup doubles are coming today.
Thank you. And we're going back, guys. Some nice shops here. We got the iStore. So if anyone's into the iPhone type product, ooh, she's good. Lots of neck cushions. We even have booster juice. Wow, could have gotten that instead of the coffee. So this flight from Toronto to Manila is supposed to be just over 16 hours. And we have a little bit of a wait layover in Manila. So guys, if you're flying from Toronto, you're gonna go to Manila and then you're gonna leave that terminal and you're gonna go out to another terminal because this is an international flight, right guys? So you're gonna go to the domestic, which is another terminal. You're gonna have to take a bus. Sorry, usually you have to take a bus to Terminal 2. Normally, we'll see with this one, but that's the norm. This is good exercise here, guys. Make sure you wear comfortable shoes. That's all I can say. These are always nice to be able to have a little bit of a relax. The Corso, that's supposed to be a nice restaurant. Well, for here in the airport, but we already ate. Guess what we had, guys? We had baby back ribs. That's what we had before we came. So, baby back ribs, and we had baby carrots, cucumber, and bell pepper, along with rice. And it was delicious, guys. So I'm really not hungry. What a beautiful day it was today. Much cooler though today. 2 days it's been gorgeous, 26, 27 Celsius. But today it dropped. It dropped down to 18. That's a huge drop. And it's supposed to even drop more. So when I was going through customs, everything was good. Only thing is on the scanner on that 9-foot carbon fiber selfie stick, they said it showed like a canister hairspray. So they always had it pulled over and you don't just go in. They're very good. The people are very polite, I find. And he goes, what's in there? He showed me on that. I said, it's a selfie stick. He goes, really? And he pulled it out and he goes, wow. He goes, nice. He goes, I have 360 product. I couldn't video him, guys, because it was in the security area. So he said, nice. I haven't seen this one before. And asked me how much. And I told him, hopefully he'll be a subscriber because I told him to go on to my channel. No issues whatsoever. But he did swab it. So the first time I've ever had anything swabbed here in Canada. Now going to the U.S., every time I used to go down to Colorado, to go to the Rocky Mountain Audio Show, swab your hands and swab all kinds of things. Crazy. But I'm shooting this on the GI Shin 5 Pro, and I have that neck harness mounted, so my hands are free, guys, which is nice. Lots of Filipinos here, ready to take their flight home.
Passengers of Philippine Airlines, first to board are passengers, business class, premium economy passengers,
They do one line, I think. It's fine, thank you. Guys, guess where I'm going? To the Philippines. It's a big plane, guys. It'll get filled up quickly. Lots of people out there waiting to come. And the plane is loading up, guys. All the people going to the Philippines. They're all excited. It's a Boeing 777 300ER. It's a big plane, guys. To get a window seat, you have to pay more money. Otherwise, you sit in the middle. It's all about money, right, guys? And if you want, we will be flying on a Boeing 777. Guys, enjoy this flight. Are you familiar with the safety, emergency, go guys. Those are slides, so you can slide out of the airplane, guys. Ooh, yeah. That'd be fun, guys. Lots of slides. Very interesting illustrations. Look at the people, they're going fishing. Look, they're all going fishing, guys. On the serious note, it is for safety. I'm just joking around a little bit of humor. The Boeing 7. It's nice to get on this plane before everybody else, guys, so we didn't have to deal with all.
Welcome on board this Philippine Airlines flight. Before we depart, we want to let you know how much we care about your safety. This is inspired by everyone in the country for the safety of everyone in this flight.
Before settling down, be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in the overhead compartment and small heavy items under the seat in front of you. Let us also ensure that all aisles and exit rows are clear of any items.
Please set your mobile and tablet devices to airplane mode. Be sure to store large devices at this time. And also, please switch off all your transmitting portable electronic devices. If your gadget slips between the seats, do not adjust the seat. Please call a cabin crew member for assistance. The top of the buckle and full freedom.
Also, please fasten your seatbelt over your blanket so our crew can easily see that your pressure. Oxygen masks will automatically drop in front of you. When this happens, pull mask firmly towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place it over your nose and mouth. Hold the elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. The oxygen will flow even if the bag is not inflated.
Transfer all sharp objects from your body. For instructions, go into this raised position.
In case of a water landing, your will be found under your seat or inside your center console. To use your life vest, place it over your head. Tap the rainbow shooter.
More about our in-flight safety procedure. Reading the seat.
Well, there's the Pablo Dubai. There's where they were going on other flight from Toronto to Manila, everyone. 16 and a half hours, guys. Yeehaw. I'm my longest on this plane. Let us know what do you think. Isn't that exciting? Going to the desert. 3:40 in the morning, guys. And we will be arriving in Manila on the 25th. And it is the 23rd here. But it's 11:30 p.m. guys. I've never flown this flight before. Leaving at 11:30 at night. We get in at 3:40 in Manila, and then we'll be taking our next flight from Manila to Luggage, leaving at 8. There's your time, guys. 11:36. There we go, guys. Yeah. It's like our roller coaster, guys.
For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened at all times when needed as we prepare air turbulence during the flight. Use the lavatories located in your section.
2,000 and 1 apple and 1 orange, please.
That's for you, sir. Sorry. Sorry. Right now.
So guys, we're having the bass fried fish.
Thank you. Nice day. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello. Morning. We are in Manila. Oh, I got a good wobbler. Look at this. In Manila, guys. Onbound to Luggage. This came from Cataclan. And look for your flight number and your gate so that you know where to go. Lots of different destinations. Tagbilaran, Cataclan, Carago, Cebu, Puerto Princesa, Bacolod, El Nido, Davao, I already said Cebu, Calipo. Wow, a lot of different places that fly from this area specifically. Look at all the people that are flying. Lots flying. Come aboard the flight of the Philippine Airlines going to Manila. I think it's going to be a full flight here, guys. Lots of people still coming in, going to Manila and going to other areas. Lots of flying. Destinations all over the world. Got Cebu Pacific over there going other destinations. I guess where I'm going, I have another connecting flight I have to catch from Manila. This is a short flight, which is nice. See you soon. For you to learn about traveling in the Philippines and traveling to the Philippines. I'd recommend you go to your bank and get some. A beautiful morning, guys. I hope you're enjoying wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I have lots of videos to share with you with my journey going around the Philippines. Bye for now. Have a great day.